Careful Lord. Careful Lord, careful Lord. Help Shion, help Shion. Come east muna, full reset east. Come east. Come east. Hold. Yep, let me see this. Hold. Wait, shaper. Catch the shaper. Come northwest, engage northwest now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, on the brim now, on the brim. Hit. Nice hit. Load the brim. Come east, come southeast again. Yeah, hold. Second. Yeah, second.
Dito sa barrier.
4 seconds.
Wait, that's nothing. Shaper. Let me see this.
Dito sa barrier.
On damage now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on damage. Hit damage. Then come east again. Alright, hold.
Nakantil yung gas niya.
3 seconds.
What overweight ako? What the fuck?
Ready na.
March, hindi makagalaw, gago.
Kamis.
Hindi makagalaw.
Drop ka naman dyan.
Trash mo, trash.
Ba't ako na-overweight? Wait lang.
Ready ba?
Yung mount,
Ready ako.
Wait.
Ready ako.
Ready ano?
Kamis. Brim.
Ready
Gawa Rada.
Look, on the barrier. 3, 2, 1 on the barrier. Dito sa akin. Ikilas.
Shaper.
Cleric. Cycle lang.
Cycling.
lang.
Isa pa shaper.
Tell me ready, ate.
Oh my God.
Shit, wala tayong pera.
Hindi nakapag-defense.
Tuloy.
Hindi, nag-igpat ako. Hindi
Wait, hold.
Matutulog, marami yan.
Hold.
Marami silang
Wait. Tayo baka
May liquid
push tayo. Wait, hold. Hold na muna.
Yan ako, pati yung
4 minutes.
pati yung... Huwag nyo na pansinin yan, oy.
Hold muna. Wait.
Shaper.
Ayun naman dyan.
Tell me see this. Yeah. Kamis. Wait, hold. Tell me see this.
Ready.
Yo, engaging on the crown now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the crown now. Hit. Kill. Shaper. Hit now. Nice. Why the fuck are we dying si Shaper?
Another shaper.
Wait.
Ang laki ng pwesto natin dito, guys.
Dropping mana.
Pwede kayo bumaba sa dito.
Yeah.
Ang dami nating
Habang malapang hit, pwede kayo sa baba na sir.
Tell me CD cycle.
Ay, pala sa kanya.
Yo, the aggro damage.
Wait, on damage. Wait na, on damage nga. In 3, 2, 1 on damage now. Hit big. Come back east. What the fuck? Kamis sa stairs.
Patay yung ano mo, yung spike yung ano, spike lang.
Naglalag ka, Marjan?
Hindi, tente ko yung barrier, yung ano.
Careful, Northwest. Careful. Brim.
Wala kang demon.
Careful Shaper, about to hit ah. Kamis again. Tell me see this.
Ready.
On damage again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, on damage again. Hit. Kamis agad.
Shaper ulit.
Shaper.
We're doing one at a time.
Tell me see this.
Nag-i-stack yung isang shaper ha.
5.
Wait.
You gotta kill that first, Mark.
Yo, on that GA now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the crown now. Hit big. Kamis.
Damage.
Namamatay DPS ko eh.
Dropping mana.
Kamis. Wala ka to, di tayo makakadeclare.
Guys, di sila nagsasabay. Isa-isa sila.
Dep.
Nauna.
Brim. Tinulog ko na
Marecha.
Wala naman na yung ano, yung break.
Wala. Wait, tell me see this.
Ready.
Yo, engaging inside of us now. After the night armor. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 after the night armor. Hit him. Pag ito di pa namatay, di na kaya. Tangay na guys. Wala tayong damage. Out na natin to, Kamsatis.
Yeah, just to get loot.
Out na natin to.
Silver, balik.
Kamsatis. Out na natin to. Kamsatis.
Southeast na. Kinol na.
Kamsatis. Kamsatis.
They're pushing ha.
Wait, come south. Help the front. Yo, engaging on the gate now. On the gate. In 5, 4, 3, 2, on the gate. Hit. Out na, Shion. Huwag ka na mag-hover dyan, Shion. Out na.
Hindi. Labas.
Come south. Brim, come south. Shaper, come south. Stay away from the wall. Come south. Comes out, comes out, comes out, comes out, comes out, comes out, comes out. Comes out, comes out, comes out, comes out, comes out, comes out. Comes out. Come west. Come west, come west, come west, come west, come west, come west. Come west, keep going, keep going. Pop your boots, pop your boots, pop your boots. Pop your boots, guys, pop your boots. Pop your boots. Just come west.
Looking, Marcel.
Come west, just come west, just come west. Tell me CDs.
Ready, ready.
Looking tayo northeast now in 5, 4, 3, don't northeast now. Bakit, Jimmy?
Gago ka, nalilin!
Come west, 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 come west. Come west, keep going 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 west.
Ano naman.
Keep going west, keep going west, keep going west, keep going west, keep going west.
Mana west. Okay, mana.
Keep going west, keep going west, keep going west, 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 keep going west, guys. Keep going west, keep going, do not stop walking kasi. Keep going west,
Lakad guys.
west, guys, west. Keep walking, west. West, guys, west. Keep going west.
Kay Almer, ano? Iyan, kasama.
Keep going west, keep going west. Huwag na yung mag-ano dyan, boss. Lakaran nyo na, huwag nyo silang, ano man, come west, come west.
Let the
Keep
tongue
going
spill,
west.
let the tongue spill.
Keep going west, keep going west. Engaging shallow on the crown east. In 5, 4, 3, on the crown now, on the crown. Hit, 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 hit. Then come west. Come west again, come west again, come west again, come west again, come west again.
Drop
Come west, keep
mana
going west, keep going west.
Ito mana west.
Keep going west, 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 keep going west. Keep going west, keep going west, keep going west, guys. Keep going west, keep going west, keep going west. Keep going west, keep going west. Keep going west, keep going west, keep going west. Keep going west, keep going west. Tell me CDs, keep going west.
South,
Keep going west, keep going west, keep going west, keep going west, keep going west. Keep going west, keep going west, keep going west, keep going west. Keep going west, keep going west, keep going west, keep going west. Down the hill west, down the hill west. Tell me CDs. Down the hill west.
Ready.
Yo, on the ground now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground now. Hit, 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 hit.
Mana west. Below.
Come west, come west, come west, come west, come west, keep going west. Do not stop walking, do not stop walking, keep going west. South, south now, south, hug the wall south, hug the wall south. Hug the wall south, hug the wall south, hug the wall south, hug the wall south, west, keep going west, keep going west. Sige lang, west, keep going west, keep going west, keep going west. Yeah, keep going west. Yo, shallow on the ground, Shaper, wait. Wait, keep going west, west, north now. We're engaging shallow southeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside now, inside, hit. Then come north, keep going north, guys, north, guys, north, keep going north, have the front, keep going north, then east, after northeast now, east,
6 seconds.
East, careful shallow west side, yo, we will look west side now, yung engaging shallow west side now, in 5, 4, 3, don't shallow west side now, big, hit, good job, kung kanina pa kasi, hit, loot them, come west, keep going west, catch them, come west, catch them, come west,
Come west.
Alis na.
Come south, kill the guy, wala na, tamak mo na sila. Alright, loot.
Osin
Loot.
nyo, mark yan ha.
Yeah,
Silence pa ako, Soul.
loot na.
Baka mabomba tayo.
Random shot.
Ano mo, overweight na naman ako.
Alright, mount up. Wala pa ang content bukas.
Ano, puro bomba eh. Dala ka nga ng ano boy.
Come south.
Yung pang mage.
DMS. Hindi problema yung ano pre, yung mage, hindi problema yung mage.
Yung, pwede rin kasi siya pang
Yung dapat GA dun sa One Darken. Kasi yung GA natin tulog eh.
tulog.
Lalag daw siya.
Ngiting ka.
Ang yung ano?
Ngiting.
Sayang na GA yung first ano.
But if you're going to lag, if you're lagging bro, just don't join bro if you're lagging that much.
Hindi na trading sa cham.
At least marami
Kamsatos.
tayong ipapang regard na loot. Peachy, ilang beses.
Kamsatos.
Dalawa.
Parang newbie tayo kanina.
Large kasi.
Alo! Alol!
GG kay Club.
Come south.
Late yung
Yung late. Gago ko, ang kulit ng ano, nung nag-maze. Gagi.
ang kulit nila eh. Parang nasa
Matakbo nga ako sa
parang
inyo.
nasa arena maglaro.
Oo. Nakita ko yung ganung ano, engage eh. Sa silent.
Gago dun. At Atis.
Puro base.
Lalit mo, Marchan. Yung ano. Sarap.
May 30 mo.
Go.
Nasa...
Yo, drop pa guys, sige dahil. Drop all the loots.
Trigger mo na agad to, Marchan, para di ka na mag-add ng balance.
Hindi naman to balance. Bukas pa dapat yung balance eh. Kaso wala kami babalance bukas. 12 UTC again ha, later I will try again ha. If ganito ulit yung papakita nyo, hindi na tayo magpo-content ng TS.
Bod review mo, para matino next time.
Wala naman kasing ibubod review dun.